Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unmute all stories on Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then if you've muted stories from various accounts, the quickest way to see all of them is to go to the menu and then go to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find muted accounts and then click that. And then here you'll see all the accounts where you muted some form of medium from. If under their name you see stories, it means that you muted stories from them. To unmute, just click unmute beside their name and then toggle the button off beside mute stories. And then just repeat the process for other accounts. And that's how you can easily unmute all stories in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.